What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and the most important accessory that you could possibly buy for your brand new Galaxy S10 Plus or S10e is a protective case. Today we're going to be taking a look at the full lineup of Ghostek cases for the Galaxy S10 Plus and S10e. Big shout outs to Ghostek for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're looking for an ultra thin and light case that also delivers military drop standard protection, look no further than the Cloak 4 series case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. The Cloak 4 series case features a multi-layer design with a hard TPU back and softer TPU sides for ultimate shock absorption. Even though the case can withstand a 2-meter drop, it still supports wireless charging and power share. The back of the case features a hard clear TPU, while the sides bring a little bit of color with a softer TPU anti-slip grip. Of course, all cutouts and ports are easily accessible. The case does include soft power and volume button covers. You'll also notice a slightly raised TPU bevel around the camera to protect that camera, and there's also a little bit of a raised edge around the front of the device protecting that display. If you're looking for drop protection in an ultra thin case, this is the case for you. The Cobra 3 is another great option if you need an ultra thin case with military standard drop protection, but it does have a little bit of extra reinforcement up its sleeve. The Cobra 3 features enhanced drop protection with RX2 silicone corners for extra drop absorption. You'll also find a non-slip diamond grip and raised bezels for display and camera protection. All buttons and ports are easily accessible. The Cobra 3 also withstands drops from 2 meters and still supports wireless charging and wireless power share. The Galaxy S10e version of the Cobra 3 also includes side fingerprint compatibility. Overall, if you need extra protection with still an ultra thin design, the Cobra 3 could be the case for you. Next up, we'll take a look at my favorite Ghostek case series, the Atomic 2 for the Galaxy S10e and S10 Plus. One thing that you normally lose when you add a case to your phone is the coolness of the metal, because you're covering it in most cases with some sort of TPU or plastic. The Atomic 2 features an all aluminum frame, which means not only are you going to get that extra shock absorption and drop protection, but you're also going to get the premium feel in the hand with that cold metal. Of course, with this case, you're still going to get military drop standard protection. You're going to get easy access to all ports and buttons. But one thing that really stood out to me about the Atomic 2 is the fact that the volume rocker and Bixby button are covered with metal buttons, just adding to that premium feel. The Atomic 2 is a little bulkier than the other cases that we've covered so far, but it is still super slim when compared to other cases like, say, an OtterBox or a LifeProof case. Even with the aluminum alloy bumper, you're still going to have full support for wireless charging and wireless power share, and you're going to have easy access to the side fingerprint scanner in the Galaxy S10e version. If you're looking for military standard drop protection with a more premium feel, then look no further than the Atomic 2 case by Ghostek. Lastly, we'll take a look at Ghostek's most stylish case, the Exit 3. The Exit 3 is a leather flip wallet cover, which is going to give you more than just protection. It's also going to give you the added benefit of having a pocket for your debit cards and your driver's license, so you can just carry your phone with this case. Not only is it going to protect your phone, but it's also going to give you that added benefit of being a wallet. I really do enjoy the style of this case. It's going to give you a little bit of front screen protection with the bottom half being fully covered. You'll still be able to see notifications as they come in. You'll also be able to see that clock widget with weather on the front of your display even when it is covered. The Exit 3 features a durable thermoplastic frame which can support drops of up to 2 meters. The case is also wireless charging and power share friendly. However, I would make sure to always take your debit cards, credit cards out of the case before using wireless charging, as the wireless charger can wipe those cards. Overall, if you're looking for a super stylish case that also adds protection to your device, the Exit 3 is probably the case for you. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can purchase these cases for yourself. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.